So about that motor oil, yeah, I know some of you are thinking, you gotta be crazy. Hang on, this will explain. Amazon Basics oil. You guys follow me on Instagram, probably saw my story. Yeah, I'm gonna try this. I got the 5W30 full synthetic API, American Petroleum Institute, SN Plus, SN, SM, or SL, ILA, blah blah blah. All that standard stuff in the industry is met, apparently. It is Dexos 1 Generation 2 approved. We're gonna give this a shot. This cost me $17 for this 5-quart container. I bought 2. Chevy takes 8 quarts, so about $34 for 2. Wow. When $34 could be for one Mobile 1, or depending where you buy it, $30 or give or take. By the time you watch this video, this will be in the Chevy SS. I'm going to probably run about 3,000 miles with it. Then I'm going to send a sample, after I drain it out, send a sample to Blackstone Labs to get an oil analysis and do a follow-up video on that. So let me know your comments if you've tried this before, any thoughts, criticisms, anything you have to add. Do you have anything to add? No. Okay. So stay tuned for a follow-up video for the Amazon Basics full synthetic motor oil test run in the Chevy SS. And thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys soon. And some of you are thinking, yeah, it's just motor oil. Motor oil is motor oil.